rides across the plains, dust burning in the light. A troublemaking kid whose sword is always ready for a fight. He laughs at every shadow, trying to block his way. And Hyrule holds its breath when he unleashes his wild display. But when the darkness rises and the world grows still, a melody drifts through the woods, soft against the chill. Hey, Ocarina to the past, its echo cuts through time. A boy against the darkness, unafraid to cross the line. He plays for Zelda, plays for courage, for everything ahead. Hey, Ocarina to the past, his heartbeat never bends. He storms through ancient dungeons, reckless and untamed. Steals a flock of chickens just because he can't be chained. Ganondorf's burning stare hits like an ancient curse, but Link just smirks and whispers, I've got one more verse. And when the shadows thicken, when hope is almost gone, he plays a tune so bright it drags the darkness into dawn. Hey, Ocarina to the past, its echo cuts through time. A boy against the darkness, unafraid to cross the line. He plays for Zelda, plays for courage, for everything ahead. Hey, Ocarina to the past, his heartbeat never bends. Wind sweeps through the ruins, the future hangs by a thread. But every note he plays opens paths